Camera screen calibration, free calibration for computer monitors and big screen TV. The default factory color for each camera's LCD display might be a little color cast, and in some cases, the display colors of different cameras of the same model could be different from each other, which causes great distress to the camera users. In order to allow the camera users to perform the color calibration of his/her personal display on their own, there are many cameras that provide display color adjustments in the camera menu. However, since the auto-white balance of the camera often has the phenomenon of color cast and provides no color calibration standard, a camera user quickly corrected the right screen color in some scenes and found the screen color was not right for the next scene. Raynauld's directivity white balance filter DCC40 with its most remarkable function can calibrate the camera on-site white value to 0 to shoot for true color photography precisely. Thus, the DCC40 users can take advantage of this unique function to calibrate their camera monitors. For directivity white balance filter DCC40 users, the use of method is very simple. Staying in an LED white light indoors photography scene, take the camera facing the most things and complex color area and use the DCC40 to conduct the manual white balance to calibrate the camera white color value to 0 for a perfect on-site calibration. At this moment, the colors of the camera LCD screen may not match all the colors in the scene. This kind of phenomenon that camera screen does not match the scene in the color is the camera screen color cast problem. Take the Panasonic GM1 camera as an example. You can find the monitor displays options in the camera menu settings. After entering, individual adjustments of brightness, contrast, saturation, red and blue tints will appear. It is good ideal to select the screen brightness of its preset. However, it is fully up to your visual preference to decide the brightness. It is advised to select the neutral for contrast, saturation since our goal is to display the screen image in true color unless the X-Factory preset screen is really bad. For the red tint, the adjustments are between green and red color. How to adjust it? Very simple. Because at this moment, the camera screen color has been fixed by the DCC40 for the photo scene. All you have to do is to adjust the red tint bar so that the screen color can match with the on-site true color of the real scene. When the red tint is almost well set, then move to blue tint to adjust the screen color to conform with the on-site true color. In this way, you can calibrate the camera screen color easily. Taking this Panasonic GM1 camera as an example, I can perfectly calibrate its display screen by adding 2 steps to the red color of the red tint, while keep the neutral color of the blue tint without adding or subtracting colors. Using the same principle of application, you can put the on-site photo that calibrated with our DCC40 in the monitors or 4K TV. And then use all the colors in the field as the reference to calibrate the colors of the computer monitors or 4K TV. Of course, it is a little difficult for beginners. But as long as willing to try a few times, you can calibrate the monitors and big TV by yourselves. The camera screen calibration can also be carried out outdoors. However, the outdoor light could be too bright to observe the display colors on the camera screen for proper adjustments. Therefore, it is recommended to calibrate indoor under LED white lighting. There are some color render doubts existing about the traditional fluorescent lights and thin-strip fluorescent lights. For camera screen calibration purpose, please avoid them as well as yellow bulbs lighting. As a reminder, not all the DSLR and mirrorless cameras have good quality screens to adjust with satisfactory results, especially the old models. However, most of the DSLR and mirrorless cameras debuted after 2013 have decent screen color quality for reasonable adjusting results. Note 1. Not every camera model has a screen color adjustment setting. Note 2. Both of oversaturation or not saturation are the color distortion. Note 3. The camera screen calibration is only an adjustment of its true color rendering capability, and does not affect the color of the photos, videos taken. What color is the most beautiful and best looking? True color is the most beautiful. A little more is unacceptable. A little less is unacceptable too. What color is the most gorgeous? True color is the most gorgeous, imperfect. What color is the most attractive? True color always moves hearts. What color is the most valuable? True color is the most valuable. A little more or a little less is penniless. What color is most loved? True color pleases everyone. A little more or a little less always be despised by somebody. What color is the most remembrance rich? Only true color can freeze the time and space, ignoring the passage of time. A little more or a little less color always a regret. What color is the most vigorous? Only true color can catch and display the vitality of the moment. Only true color can create the moment of such as the past day and such as spectacular. This is the highest level of photography. Raynauld, directivity white balance filter, for true color only.